Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today I'm going to give you an exclusive look into this new construction home readily available for you to build in Port St Lucie with no HOA rules or fees and more space from your neighbor. I work really closely with the builder Max, and he has 16 different models that he builds on his own lots, starting around 1,500 square feet and going up to over 4,000. So if you're looking for something like this, make sure you watch until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. So this specific home belongs to a client of mine and they chose all standard features. So what you'll see would come included under $500,000. This model comes with nearly 2,300 square feet under air with 4 bedrooms and a flex room, 3 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage plus a workshop space where also it's available as a 3rd-car garage. This layout is considered a triple split floor plan with the primary suite in the back, guest bed and bath at the front of the foyer, and 2 secondary bedrooms on the opposite side of the home with their own hallway. And in the center of the home, you have a huge open concept with the kitchen island overlooking the great room and dining space, looking back onto the 30-foot long lanai. And like I said at the beginning, this home is not an HOA, so you have almost a quarter-acre lot with plenty of yard space and no additional fees or restrictions telling you what you can and can't do with your home. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and can help work with you throughout the process with any builder or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or even something else like it here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and to represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.